Welcome back again to the channel. Please subscribe. Let me teach you how to check your Facebook monetization eligibility, whether you are eligible to monetize your Facebook page. If you tap on the three dots, you click on professional dashboard. Okay, post reach 430. So you click on monetization. Number one, bonuses, live ads, in-stream ads. You click on subscription. Here now, my total followers is 925. I need 10k to complete it. So these ones now, it has not completed. I'm not eligible to monetize my Facebook. So please like the video, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and also follow our page.